linear transformation we define. Let Vf, or simply I say let V and W be two vector spaces on the same field F, then a mapping T from V to W, or you can say Vf to Wf is linear transformation or simple LT if T alpha u plus beta v equal to alpha T u plus beta T v. That means these scalars can be taken out from the T, or this condition I can write, or in two conditions, T u plus v, we can write T u plus Tv, and then second part we have to take T alpha is scalar, u is equal to alpha Tu, right, where uv belong to v and alpha beta belong to field scalar. Then T is linear transformation. So now we take some example. Our example is, suppose let V is equal to R square and W also R square. Consider, or then, and F we take R. Then T from R square to R square defined by T xy is equal to, suppose yx, interchanging the element. So our question is, show T is linear transformation. Very simple. Consider T alpha, two element of R square, that means okay, I take let x1 y1 and x2 y2 belong to R square. Then alpha x1 comma y1 plus beta x2 y2. After simplification, what become? Alpha t of alpha x1 plus beta x2 alpha y1 plus beta y2. Okay, after simplification this become. Now what t is doing? T is interchanging. That means this component become first and the first become second. Then this is equal to alpha y1 plus beta y2 comma alpha x1 plus beta x2, right? Now this in the expanded form I can write alpha from this and this alpha y1 comma x1 plus beta y2 comma x2, right? Now this is using the definition, the component. This I can, in form of t, I can write alpha t of x1 y1, right? And this I can write beta t of x2 y2, because t is interchanging the element. So this interchanged element become under t like this. Now what we have obtained? We have obtained that alpha and beta both are out. So t is LT. T is LT, right? Any other example? Now suppose I change some, this I make 3 and t is defined t x y z, because obviously element in R cube are this type of, this is making x plus y z like this. That means t is doing what? First two component adding and third component keep as it is. So show t is LT or not, right? Now let x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2 are element of R3, then t of alpha of x1 comma y1 comma z1 plus beta x2 y2 z2, this become t alpha x1 plus this become alpha x1 plus beta x2 comma alpha y1 plus beta y2 comma alpha z1 plus beta z2. Now what t is doing? T is adding first two component and third component keeping same. That means this become alpha x1 plus beta x2 plus alpha y1 plus beta y2 and third component alpha z1 plus beta z2 same. That means from here how can I simplify? Alpha I can take common. Alpha is common, then x1 plus y1 plus beta x2 plus y2 comma alpha z1 plus beta z2, right? Now how I can arrange these? This I can write alpha x1 plus y1 comma z1 plus beta x2 plus y2 comma z2. Now this is using the definition alpha t of what? x1 y1 z1 plus beta is this. Again this become t x2 y2 z2. Now what we have proved? We have proved alpha can be taken out from here and here, so t is LT. So t is linear transformation. It is simple.